Hey guys, it's R.V.C. here, and I'm back again with another video. So today, we're taking a look at something I grabbed from AliExpress. It's this little DIY power bank case for three 18650 batteries. And yes, I already bought it. So let's see if it was worth it. Now first, what even is this thing? Basically, it's a shell, a little box. You drop in three 18650 batteries, and boom, you've got yourself a homemade power bank. No soldering required. Just pop the batteries in, and you're good to go. Now, the batteries are not included. Just want to make that clear up front. So factor that into the price. Okay, so let's talk about what you actually get. You get dual USB ports, so you can charge two devices at the same time. That's actually pretty handy. There's also a built-in LED nightlight, like a little torch, which honestly, I didn't expect to like, but it's actually useful for camping or power cuts. And the output? It supports 5V2A, so 10 watts. That covers basically every smartphone out there. iPhone, Xiaomi, Android, you name it. Now let's talk about the build. It's plastic, obviously. For the price, you're not getting aluminum here, but it feels solid enough. The circuit board has a transparent design, which gives it a cool DIY aesthetic. You can actually see the guts of the thing. Assembly is straightforward. Slide your flat-top 18650 cells in, close it up, and that's it. But here's a heads up. Once you close the back cover, it does not open easily. So make sure everything's working before you seal it shut. Test the charging, test the light, then close it. All right, so who is this actually for? If you're a hobbyist, a maker, or just someone who has a pile of old 18650 cells lying around from laptop batteries, this is a fun little project. You're essentially building your own power bank from scratch for pennies. Is it going to replace a premium Anker or Baseus power bank? No, absolutely not. But that's not the point. The point is, it's cheap, it's functional, and it's kind of fun to build. And for the price on AliExpress, it's honestly hard to complain. Well, for now, that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And I guess I'll see you in the next one. Bye!